Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Picsart account online, and let's dive right in. Now to log into your Picsart account, first you will be required to open your preferred browser on your computer, and after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in picsart.com like this and hit enter, and then you'll be directed to the home part itself. Now to log into your account, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login or sign up button available over there. Click over there, and after landing over here you can see you can either log into your Google, Facebook or your Apple account from over here. And then if you log into your Facebook or your Apple or your Google account, you will be logged into your Picsart account with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple without even have to create an account. But to log into your Picsart account with your email with which you had created an account on Picsart, you can click on the continue with email button available over here, and on here enter your email over here and click on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password. And after entering your password you'll be able to sign into your Picsart account. And then guys, this is how you log into your Picsart account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.